Hey everyone, good morning and welcome back. So let's talk about this news which is coming out since yesterday that India might not ban cryptocurrency exchanges and they might regulate it as commodity. So let's look at some of the sources as to actually who said that and where is this news coming out from. So first source that I actually found is the crypto handle which is called Crypto Qanun. And this is something that I really want to speak about because a lot of people actually think that anything which is tweeted on Crypto Qanun is coming from the officials of the governments, and if this Twitter handle does belong to an judicial does belong to a regulatory body from India, but that's not really the case. That's what I found. I hope I'm right. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comment box below, because if you look at this handle which is called Crypto Qanun, this says it's a platform engaged in cryptocurrency regulatory analysis, legal awareness and news. And the retweet, it's just a legal awareness and news platform, so nothing that comes out from here is supposed to be taken as coming out from the legal authorities, right? And retweet does not imply any endorsement, right? So this is something that most people don't even know, and I understand the fact because the Crypto Qanun, the name itself, the computer name itself could be quite misleading for many people who might think that, oh, this is coming out from the legal team of India, right? So that's not really the case. So what exactly happened? So in fact, they have pinned a post here that says the committee set up to suggest cryptocurrency regulation is concerned about keeping track of investors and funds to combat money laundering, and they refer to an article on Quartz. So here is the Quartz article where everything all started. So here is an interview on the Quartz, and the Quartz also says one simple thing, that the official who actually disclosed this information requested to be anonymous. So as you can see, a senior government official privy to the panel's discussion told Quartz requesting anonymity. So they haven't given the name as to who actually said that the cryptocurrencies are going to be regulated and are going to be treated as commodity as that. I mean, I would love that to be true, and I would love that cryptocurrency exchanges reopens. But what I'm trying to find out whether whom is it coming out from and how much can we trust this news as of now. Of course, one thing that I do know for the fact that on the 20th of July, we still have a hearing in the Supreme Court of the RBI decision ban. So hopefully I'm quite positive that the things will happen there. Some positive things will take place there. But as of now, I was just trying to find out where are the sources, what are the sources of this news coming out that says that India might treat cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin as a commodity and might regulate it. And I don't find any name which has been given. Some of the names that I actually found, which is in the Quartz news again, this is coming out from this R. Gandhi, a former RBI deputy. But he says that treating them as a commodities will also make it clear to some investors that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are not real currency. And so of course, if you treat it as a commodity, it's quite clear that it's a risk. Like every commodity have a risk. So anyone who is investing into this commodity, they are aware of the risk. Because one of the reasons they actually mentioned in all the reports, the RBI, one of the reasons they want to stop all the cryptocurrency exchanges from bank support is because they mentioned that every investors in India have this risk of losing out money, and that's the main reason we want to avoid that. In another news, what I found is the RBI has given a response to the petition which was filed by AMI because they were given about 7 days. RBI was given about 7 days to reply, and what it turns out that they have given a 2-page generic response, and this is coming out from the Sohail Merchant, the CEO of Indian Cryptocurrency Exchange Pocketbaits. He said the IAMI received the response from the RBI as directed by Supreme Court. The response is generic with the same language as the public circulars. They have not given deliberate thought to the points made by us. All the basis of their argument is investor protection. So the next one I want to move, as you know, that Bitcoin futures trading, after the Bitcoin futures trading, Bitcoin ETF trading might come up soon. So CBO E-Group, one of the derivative exchange in New York, is planning for a ETF trading, Bitcoin ETF trading, which is called exchange traded fund. Right now what they have is a futures trading, right? And of course they have shown a very good number. In terms of number, they said that they are selling about 2,500 to 18,000 Bitcoin futures contracts every day. That's the number of Bitcoin future contracts. The fate of the CBOE, whether these derivative exchanges will be able to trade Bitcoin ETF, will be decided on August 10, and this will be coming out from SEC, Security Exchange Commission of US. So we're gonna wait till that, and of course, if this happens, if they come out that ETF is going to take place, will happen, we might see some jump in the Bitcoin price once again, just like we saw the Bitcoin price jump during the futures trading. Now that's just a prediction, not a financial investment advice. That's how I look at it. The last one I want to share is a partnership. So Litecoin founder Charlie Lee has announced some partnership between TokenPay and one of the German bank. It turns out that Litecoin has about 99.9% of the banking payment partnership, which earlier belonged to TokenPay. Now TokenPay is again a platform, is a cryptocurrency which promises to convert fiat into cryptocurrency. So they're basically helping the adoption, right? So that might be a good news for all the TokenPay holders. It could be also good news for the overall ecosystem of cryptocurrencies as well. So that's the news today. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your opinion. What do you think about this news that cryptocurrencies are going to be treated as commodity? Do you think that is what is the next thing which is coming up? Do you think this is what is the possibility of cryptocurrency exchanges here in India? Thank you so much for watching.